Hey love, so today we're going to talk about VpFashion extensions. I'm going to show you how I dyed them, how I clicked them in. Alright love, so I just got halfway done with filming this clip-in session and realized things had jumped on the keyboard and it wasn't recording at all. So let's start this over. So I've just clipped up half of my hair with a hair clip, and then I'm going to turn around and show you the back. I just curled the little bits of my hair. I'll show you. All I did was just take these underling hairs and curl them. So I'm just using this Hot Tools pink titanium curling iron. This is 3/4 inch. That's all I did was curl the little underlings of my hair. And now we're going to clip these in. This is the 190 gram 20-inch hair extensions. I did have them cut and layered by Beth at Concepts in Spokane. So if you're in Spokane, Washington and need someone fabulous to do your hair, she's wonderful. She's done my hair for years. She cuts my natural hair. She trims all my extensions when I get tape in. She puts them in. She's amazing and affordable and just the best. I love that girl. So anyway, this is a 4-clip. This set comes with 2 4 clips, 2 3 clips, and 4 1 clips. So it's kind of a weird array of clips, but I'm used to it because I've been wearing them for so long. But I'm going to take the first shorter of the 2 4 clips because there's one that's like this long and there's one that's like this long. So we're taking the shorter one. We're going in first. Again, this is kind of, I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not a professional. This is just what I do on the daily. It's the lazy way. Obviously, normally these come with white clips instead of black, but this is all they had. And I was like, yeah, that's fine. It works. Okay, so I'm just going to turn around and not knock my curling iron off. And I'm just going to section a little bit, like you could use a comb, but this is the guide for the person who is late for work all the time and needs to just get her weave in and on the go. So I just kind of lift up some hair and tuck it under. And then put it down. Again, I'm not a professional, but this is what I do. I'm going to take the other one and I just clip it on top. That. Now we get to work on the sides. So that's done. Now I'm going to make this fall down. I'm just going to get under here, and then I have curled these little bits, backcomb them just a little bit. This brush looks nasty, but this is the best thing ever. I don't even know who it's by, but I got it at Sally's and it's the last one I have. So it's got hair and it's gross and hairspray, but it is the best teasing comb I have ever had in my life. So I keep using it. So if this grosses you out, I'm sorry. So I just teased those, gave these bits a little bit of a curl. And I did put a heat protectant on earlier, just so you guys know. Here is a 3 clip. I'm just going to tease this up a little bit and clip it in here, right at my temple pretty much. And then clip this back. And then I'm going to let this down. Now I'm going to curl my natural hair, and then I'll put in a 1 piece up here too. So I like to curl these pieces like this is a curling wand, even though it's not a curling wand. I don't know why. This is just what I do. I feel like people think there's always some secret to how I curl my hair, but it's just a curling iron. I mean, nothing fancy. And then I am going to recurl some of these front pieces of the hair extensions. So I'm just curling a couple bits. I don't usually recurl them all because I don't find it really necessary. I like a loose curl, but especially around the face, I want it to look good. There's one side, and I have a little 1 clip here that I'm just going to, I like to make sure this is really teased so it covers up this black threading, and then I just kind of put one here. Again, I'm going to recurl these bits. this piece I'm just gonna put back here. I just have a little less hair right here. Put that in. All right, and there's one side. Now let's do this side. I'm just clipping up the top layer. Tease this a little bit to help hold the extensions in place. I'm gonna take my 3 clip again. I start it at the front. Clip. Recurling the front or wherever as needed. I'm gonna clip my natural hair. Ooh, I like this side though. Yes, it's gonna curl the top. Again, I'm just gonna hide this little nubbin under here. I'm just gonna use a little bit of hairspray. And by a little bit, I mean probably more than the average person. Then I just kind of like tousle it together so my natural hair and the hair extensions get put together. I kind of break up the curls a little bit, just kind of make it look a little more lived in. All right, love, so that is how I clip in and style my hair extensions on the daily. I feel like it's kind of the lazy girl's guide. They just go in so easily. Clipping them in and taking them out is so nice. My favorite thing about clip-ins is being able to just like unclip my hair at the end of the day. It's weird. I feel like when I have tape-ins, I can't really feel that they're in at all. And then I went back to clip-ins this time around and like at first I was like, oh, I have stuff clipped to my hair, but within a couple days, I don't even feel them in there anymore. They're just there. And I love having so much hair. I feel like the clip-ins just stay softer longer than tape-ins do. Tape-ins are more convenient because once you put them in, they're in for a couple months and that's it. But clip-ins, it's real nice. It's real nice. They're so soft. I just love VpFashion extensions. They are my favorite. That's why I continue to work with them. Again, if you want to save some cash, just use the code CAKE at any time. Right now, you're going to save more between the dates listed down below and in this video. I don't have 100% of the sale information, but I know that it's coming. So I will put that obviously in the video, even though I'm not verbalizing it, just read the screen. And down below, I'll leave a link and the code CAKE, like cake that you eat. C-A-K-E. Anyway, now we're going to get into the dyeing portion of this video where I will show you what I used. The things you're going to need some tinfoil, you're going to need some gloves, you're going to need some mixing bowls, some white conditioner. If you're trying to do the exact color that I am and your hair is already bleached, it has to be pretty pale. My hair was pretty light peachy yellow. To get this shade to actually work in my hair, it does have to be pretty fair because this is a very fair shade. This shade does glow in UV light. It was funny, I was in an airplane and the lights kind of glow. I don't know if any of you guys follow me on Snapchat, you may have caught that picture where I was like, my hair is literally glowing. My hair was glowing. It was crazy. But anyway, obviously you're going to need your dye. You're going to need some little brushes to brush it on the hair extensions, and of course your hair extensions. I think that's everything. A table to do this on. Yeah, but anyway, let's go into that video now. Alright, love, so that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed watching me dye my hair extensions and clip them in and style them. If you want any more hair videos, please let me know. I don't really do anything too interesting with my hair. I have straightened it a little bit lately. I've been doing the braids on the sides, but if you guys can think of anything you want to see, just let me know. And any other hair videos or anything that you want to see, just leave it down below in the comment section, and please give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you liked it so I do more hair videos. Alright, loves, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I love you guys so much. I will talk to you soon.